your boy Pro Guy Decent here. You already know what the fuck going on, man. We got a show tomorrow, a big show in Appleton, Wisconsin. So we here to pick out a new outfit. I done checked out before my girl because I don't want to yell at me because of how much money I just spent. But hey, look at that face.
I love you.
I love you. Now look at here. She's over here getting this makeup.
That's cool.
What do you?
Licking brushes.
You know, you picked a really bad day to start blacking out your arm. Like, we're not going to go to a sold-out show tomorrow.
It's okay.
We don't have
you were too upset about
We do not have... Give me that shit. It's not even fucking real, bro. This shit's AI.
What? It's just gonna hit like some AI in a minute. Some AI hitting you back for talking back.
Shit's not even real. Look, I didn't... What? It's not even fucking real. This shit don't fucking stop, bro. We was up at 11 a.m. Had to run to UPS because they was trying to tell me my package wasn't going to come until after the show. Not going. Had to run to Ross, pick up a new outfit. Not going. Shorty took forever. Not going.
You're ridiculous.
Fuck, bro. And then I had to go give these business cards to my mom. She took forever. Not going. Then I got to go home. Oh, my God. It's about to be such a long day, bro. It's about to be such a fucking long day.
Such a long day. Why?
I think I got a big show in Appleton, Wisconsin tomorrow, so we're just getting stuff ready for that.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice. Thank you. And we back here at the motherfucking crib. You know what time it is. We got a pile of this motherfucker. You know, we only smoke natural hemp wraps around this bitch. Don't come over to me with no goddamn backwood trying to hurt my head. You're not gonna fuck my head up like that. No. I'm not gonna deal with it. Y'all hear that foul bro over there getting his ass whooped in this? I'm about to fast motion all this, so it's just gonna be like. When you feed me oranges,
Yo, you looking like royalty over here.
Pissed off about the game.
Alright, y'all, we under the hood right now. We got a 4-hour drive tomorrow, so I gotta make sure that all my shit's right. I'm turning this shit way too fucking fast if it's hot. Woo! I've had that shit explode on me. If any of y'all had the radiator cap explode on you, you know what the fuck that feels like. That shit is not nice. Not nice. Damn near just tripped. I'll turn it on and let it. Man, we back in this bitch since that shit wanted to fall down, man. My bad. Boy, that ain't good. Oh, more than one whole time. Damn, that looked bad. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I'm exaggerating shit. I've blown up too many cars on the road. I'm too old now. I'm not doing that shit no more. I've blown up too many fucking engines. Make sure you keep up to date on your fucking fluids and get your fluid changes. Public service announcement. PSA from PGD. Take care of your fucking car, bro. Damn, that shit's full. Why do my brakes feel like that, bro? It's dark, though. It's a weird color. Probably shouldn't look like that. Gotta get these fucking... Gotta get my tires filled up next. No. A couple little things, you feel me? Like, I just don't want the car to break down on the way up there. That would fucking suck. We got 2 carfuls of people and one of them breaks down on the way up there. That would suck dick. What?
Nah, bro. That's some crackhead shit. I'm not smoking a whole bowl in one go, bro.
Man, what the fuck? Why,
bro? I'll smoke a blunt, a joint, anything. You got a wood, bro?
We ain't even got nothing else to smoke on, bro.
You got a wood, bro?
No.
Hey, bro, everything I love, listen, on some high Toy Story type shit, bro. I swear to God, look, don't move, bro. Don't fucking move, bro. On some Woody, there's a snake in my boot. You got a fucking joint in your beard. Bro, there's a joint in your fucking beard, bro. What the fuck? Bro, there's a joint in bro's beard. Spark that bitch.
Hey, yo, what the fuck? Shit, you right.
You know, bro, I had a joint in the beard. I think that means y'all gotta be where tomorrow night? Where?
We gotta be in Appleton, Wisconsin at the Ob's Brew House. Opening up for who?
Finesse. Who?
Two of them.
Finesse, 2 times.
Man, we're on a fucking day, bro. What did I tell you? I told you today was gonna be a long ass fucking day. I said that at the beginning of the video. It's fucking like 7:30, 8 o'clock now, bro. I've been running around all day. I've been fucking just doing stupid shit all day. Ain't got time to just sit down for a minute. We just left the store. Bro just got himself his outfit. I got my outfit. My girl got her outfit. And I think after this we got to go round up a couple people so they can stay with us tonight. So be ready so we can just head out in the morning, because I'm not trying to fucking drive all around the Quad Cities to gather everybody up right now. So fucking I'm gonna take this minute while bro up there fucking grabbing the rest of his jewelry and outfit and whatever the fuck he needs real quick to get high real quick, bro. Fuck, I need it. Where the fuck is bro at? What the fuck? He gotta hurry the fuck up.
Hi, beautiful.
What up, Appleton is the last stop. We're filling up them tires right now. We better fill up that gas tank, clean out this motherfucking car tomorrow at the 18th. Ob's Brew House, Appleton, Wisconsin. Opening up for Finesse 2 times. About to hit the motherfucking road. Meet us there for real. Hit him with a fit check. Let him see that shit. Where we going today? What you gotta say for him?
Finesse 2 times, baby. We be out here like that. What you talking about? What you talking
Yeah.
about?
front of the city. Took the line, I'm politicking for a nigga to get it. The top spot, take a lot, you niggas want it, come get it. See the beat, it's a vibe, but don't you ever forget it.
You see G's, they gon' train, boy, you know that's great. To the side, nigga, I just can't. Nigga, lately you been acting like a...
You know me, but don't know me. From the jungle like I'm Mosley. I want that girl pink like no.
Let's ride. I need y'all to say this shit with me. I need y'all to turn them phones on. Put them flashlights in the air and say this shit with me. Y'all ready? Hey, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. It's cool when they do it. It's a problem when I do it. I'm a personal fella. They got together and make you a fuck. I don't fuck with nobody. If you ain't everything, then it's fuck you. I want up with some money. If they give me this shit, I'm in South Carolina. I'm looking for real and she knows them. She gotta be thick as hell. Big tall, cause you know it all. On the clock, on the self, that be look like a DJ. I signed my own chick, better stay in your lane. I'm putting up, I ain't ducking no way. I ain't ducking no way. I ain't ducking no way. No, I ain't ducking no way. She say she wanna lick up and get nasty. She wanna get nasty. Say she wanna get nasty. I ain't ducking no way. I ain't ducking no way. Hey, I ain't ducking no way. She say she wanna lick up. I ain't ducking no way. 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 She said she wanna lick up and get nasty. She wanna get nasty. Say she about that. I ain't ducking no way. I ain't ducking no way. I ain't ducking no way.
Alright, so we made it back home. We done drove all fucking night. Bro ass here pulled off from the pump with it still into his car.
Not my fault. Buddy ass was truck it belonged to told me that the gas pump was not in the truck.
We had a great time in Appleton, man. We had a sold out show. We turned the fuck up for Finesse. That shit was packed as fuck. We had people standing wall to fucking wall on a Tuesday. Man, I'm about to start throwing these clips together real quick. I need to fucking smoke and get to working for today. I got a couple clips I gotta grab from Canon, but man, wait till you see the fucking movie that we done put together. What did you guys do last night? Huh? You guys got left out last night. You have any adventures? You had any cat ventures last night? You're staring out that window like you want to go back out. You guys want to tell me what you did? You know what I did last night? I went to Appleton, Wisconsin. I opened up Finesse 2 times. Yeah, 2 of them. My cat don't even believe me. I'll show you the clips right now. We're going out to dinner now after a successful... Hold on. Yo, what up? Nah, shit, about to go out to eat. What you want?
Hey, look. You might have to hurry up and start down some food, gang. I know we just went out to Wisconsin and Appleton. You know, we opened up for Finesse 2 times, but trying to go up to the rack, baby. Trying to go turn up for the city.
Man, well, we got another show out there or something?
Fuck yeah, let's go turn up with the big homie real quick.
Alright, man, hold on. Let me holler at you when I get done eating real quick.
Yo, man, you better hurry up and eat some food, homie.
Alright, yo.
Yeah.
Fuck, man. Don't ever fucking stop. Apparently, we're going to Chicago now. Well, let me try to find out some more information on what the fuck he's talking about real quick, because I'm not trying to drive up to Chicago one. Oh, we got another show up there. What are y'all acting a fool for? Y'all saw me hit that record? Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, we're not going to Chicago, bro. It's snowing and hailing and storming, and I'm just don't feel like going up there and dealing with that shit. So this is the end of it. Thank y'all for watching the video. Make sure you fuck that. You don't gotta subscribe to my channel. I don't give a fuck. Don't like my videos. Don't even view my shit. What do I care? Fuck that.
Why are you here?
Why? Yeah. Why? Why'd you even watch this video? Fuck you.
What you talking about? Big racks, big Zod, never the little one.